Welcome friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to start a new project in Android Studio. So this is the first screen the Android Studio is showing to you. If you are not open the Android Studio, go through the application and from here install, click on the Android Studio and open Android Studio. This is the first screen. This first screen is showing on the left side bar. This is showing your previous projects. If you have not done any project, then it will be blank. And the next right hand side of this screen is showing start a new project, open an exciting project, check out project versions and all the things. So now we are going to click on start a new project because we are going to start a new project. So we hit on start a new project. After hitting, Android Studio is asking some information about your application. The first information you should give is your application name, which application you are going to create about. So you will give our application name as demo app. This is your application name. The second information it is asking from you is company domain. You to provide your company domain. If you have no any company domain, then don't worry. Just write some codes followed by .com. This will be your company domain. The next input is your project location. Here you are going to give your project location so that Android Studio will save all the files in that location. So my project location is temp unpro, inside the unpro demo app. Then the next two lines showing you is include C++, include Kotlin. If you want to include any one of these languages or both these languages, then you can hit on a checkbox and proceed on next. So we are proceeding on click on next. It is asking another window, target Android devices. So for which reason, for which environment we are going to develop this application. So now we have decided to develop this application for phone and tablet. So we check on phone and tablet. After checking, it is asking for minimum SDK. What is minimum SDK? Standard API version. Okay, so standard API versions are, now the API version I have set is 21. 21 is the API version of 5.0, that is Lollipop. So this application is going to play or run in the devices having the Android of 5.0 and above. The devices which having 5.0 lower, then they can't use this application. So minimum SDK means this is the minimum API level you are going to give to the Android Studio so that Android Studio will build the application that can be run the API version higher than you given. Okay, so what happened, I have chosen 5.0, then this application is going to run in the mobiles which is having the version 5.0 and upward. Okay, that much. On clicking on next, Android Studio is asking for choose your activity, add an activity to mobile. So what happened, what is activity, we are going to discuss in next class. So now just remember one thing, we are going to check on empty activity and hit on next, and all the kind of activities are here that are the default activities, and we don't have to code for creating this activity because we have already discussed that Android Studio is an integrated development environment. So Android Studio have integrated all the types of activities and their codes. So by choosing on one activity we can get their codes. So now we are choosing an empty activity and we will get the code automatically. We are not going to code for empty activity. Okay, now we are hitting on next. On hitting on next, it is asking for two inputs. First input is activity main, that is a Java file, and the second input is layout name, that is the design file. So what we are doing here, what are activity name, what is layout name, we will discuss in next class. For till now, you just remember the first input is for your Java file name. Look at this, in main M is capital and in activity A is capital, that is showing you are creating a class, that is a Java class, and the layout name is the XML part. Okay, so we are going to hit and finish. Okay, look, now our project is being successfully built. So now we are going to check the first, we have discussed that main activity.java, this is the Java file and this is the layout file. So we have created a project successfully. The name of the project is demo app. Okay, so stay tuned with us and keep learning. Thank you for watching this video.